Well, Stephen Husband back at East End Park, but slightly different this year, playing for Forfar, and you're playing for the team that's top of the table tonight. How does it feel?
Yeah, I mean, that's obviously it's good to be back and see the boys and the people that surrounded the club, the background staff and that as well. So I've got a nice little welcome back and stuff as well. So I liked it. But it's obviously I'm different employers now, so happy to be going away still top of the league.
Yeah, and I don't think even the most ardent Dunfermline supporter could argue with that, based on the number of chances that your team created this afternoon. Ryan Scully held you at bay on a number of occasions, but I take it that's indicative of how the Forfar teams have been playing this season.
Yeah, I mean we've played a number of games and created lots of chances, and we played some really good football. Probably wasn't one of our better days today actually in the first half, but the second half I think we showed what we can do when we're given opportunities and stuff, but didn't get in. I think Ryan Scully he might get moved to Real Madrid after some of these saves, but no, he done really well today and kept us at bay.
As you say, get a warm welcome back, always highly thought of here among the home fans. Warm welcome too from your old buddies, including Josh Falkingham. One or two meaty challenges going in there.
Oh yeah, I mean it wouldn't be a game at all if you don't think banter back and forward with the players. I mean, me and Josh just cuddled each other, and afterwards it's not a big deal. That's what happens. Even at training, I mean, you found that the boys you have some of that aggro and back and forward, and then you just walk off and it's all forgotten about. So it's not a big deal. Yeah,
a lot of experience in the Forfar lineup compared to a number of the youngsters coming through that you were part of the last few seasons at East End Park. How does that feel? Is it a slightly different setup in the dressing room?
Yeah, it's a massive change for me personally. Obviously going full time to part time and you're twice a week at night and stuff like that. So massive, and then you've got the experienced boys like Rab Douglas, and you can go right along the back four, yeah. Including Rab, and you've got just experience right through the team, and they'll all been there, done that, and been in different leagues, different teams, and it's good to have that bit of experience behind you.
You still got ambitions to play at a higher level?
Yeah, of course. I think as long as you're playing football, you're going to want to play at the highest level you can. So, but I'm really enjoying my football at Forfar, I must say. So, just hopefully more of that to come, and hopefully we could just push for the top of the league. Do
you think it'll be the same two teams battling for promotion at the end of the season?
I'm sure Dunfermline and Morton, the full-time teams, will come through and they'll do well in the league. So it's just up for us. We're sitting there on top just now. It's for us to lose, as you say.
Well done, Stephen. Good to speak to you again.
Very nice seeing you. Thanks. Right.